Portugal is turning heads, and for all the right reasons, in 2025. While major European economies grapple with sluggish performance, Portugal is experiencing a remarkable economic surge. Its projected GDP growth significantly outpaces the Eurozone average, painting a picture of vibrant economic health. This isn't just a minor uptick. It's a fundamental shift in the continent's economic landscape, showcasing a powerhouse in the making. When we drill down into the numbers, the contrast is stark and undeniable. Germany, France, and Italy, traditionally Europe's economic engines, are forecasted to see much slower, more modest growth rates. Portugal, on the other hand, is posting figures that signal robust expansion and dynamic momentum. On-screen charts will clearly illustrate this divergence, highlighting Portugal's impressive growth trajectory against the flatter curves of its larger European counterparts, making the story impossible to ignore. This data isn't just for economists. It represents a tangible shift in opportunities and prosperity. What's fueling this incredible engine of growth? At its core is a powerful surge in domestic consumption, driven by a resilient and confident consumer base. A strong labor market has led to rising employment rates and a steady increase in real wages, putting more disposable income into the pockets of households across the nation. This increased purchasing power is being unleashed into the economy, creating a virtuous cycle of spending and growth. Furthermore, this consumption boom is not just a recent phenomenon, but is also supported by savings accumulated during previous years. As economic certainty grows, households feel more secure in spending these reserves, fueling demand for goods and services from retail to hospitality. This is coupled with significant job growth, particularly within the services, tourism, and burgeoning technology sectors, which are actively absorbing labor and creating new, high-quality employment opportunities for a skilled workforce. The resurgence of Portugal's tourism sector has been nothing short of spectacular, acting as a primary catalyst for its economic boom. Tourism revenue has not only recovered from the pandemic downturn, but has actually surpassed pre-pandemic levels, setting new records month after month. The country's stunning coastlines, rich cultural heritage, and vibrant cities are attracting a wave of international visitors eager to spend, injecting billions into the local economy and supporting countless businesses. This boom is also being shaped by new trends. As Portugal solidifies its reputation as a global hub for digital nomads and remote workers, the country's favorable climate, high quality of life, and supportive visa policies have made it a magnet for international talent, bringing in long-term residents who contribute to the economy year-round. Consequently, the services sector has become the backbone of Portugal's GDP, demonstrating a diversified and modern economic structure that is less reliant on traditional industries and more aligned with the future of work. A crucial pillar of this success story is Portugal's strategic and intelligent deployment of European Union funds. The Recovery and Resilience Plan has been a game-changer, channeling billions into transformative projects that are modernizing the country's infrastructure for the 21st century. These investments are not just about short-term stimulus. They are laying the groundwork for sustainable, long-term growth by enhancing connectivity, efficiency, and competitiveness across the board. These funds are also specifically targeted at future-proofing the economy, with a strong emphasis on green and digital transitions. This forward-thinking approach encourages foreign direct investment and fosters a vibrant ecosystem of innovation, attracting international companies and startups looking to be part of Portugal's green revolution and digital transformation. This strategic use of capital is a masterclass in leveraging supranational support to build a resilient, modern, and competitive national economy that is prepared for future challenges and opportunities. Underpinning this entire economic narrative is a foundation of remarkable fiscal discipline and macroeconomic stability. In an era where many nations are battling persistent inflation, Portugal has successfully managed to bring its inflation rate closer to the European Central Bank's target. This price stability protects consumer purchasing power and creates a predictable environment for businesses, which is essential for long-term planning and investment confidence. Moreover, the government has demonstrated a strong commitment to prudent fiscal management, achieving a significant reduction in its public debt-to-GDP ratio while maintaining small and manageable budget deficits. This responsible approach sends a powerful signal to international markets that Portugal is a stable and reliable place to do business. The resulting economic stability has been instrumental in attracting a steady flow of foreign investors who see the country as a safe and profitable haven in a volatile global landscape. This impressive economic performance has not gone unnoticed on the global stage. The ARNING Portugal's significant international recognition and bolstering market confidence. Prominent financial media and economic outlets have lauded the country's turnaround, with some even ranking it as the economy of the year for 2025. This positive press reinforces the narrative of success and draws further attention from a global audience of investors, policymakers, and corporations looking for growth stories. The tangible effects of this recognition are clearly visible in the financial markets. The Portuguese stock market is experiencing a period of bullish sentiment, with indices climbing as investor confidence reaches new highs. This influx of capital, both into public equities and private ventures, reflects a deep-seated belief in the sustainability of Portugal's economic model and its promising future, creating a self-reinforcing cycle of investment, growth, and renewed confidence. So, why does Portugal's success story matter for the rest of Europe and for you? It provides a compelling model, demonstrating how smaller economies can leverage strategic policies, investment, and inherent strengths to outperform their larger neighbors. It proves that size isn't everything. Smart governance, fiscal responsibility, and a focus on high-growth sectors can create a powerful engine for prosperity, offering valuable lessons for other nations. Ultimately, Portugal's rise as Europe's economic star creates a wealth of tangible opportunities. For investors, it offers a dynamic and stable market with significant growth potential across various sectors. For tourists, it remains a world-class destination that is continually enhancing its offerings. And for job seekers, especially in tech and services, it presents a vibrant and growing labor market with an exceptional quality of life, making Portugal a place to watch, visit, and invest in for years to come.